it's Hannah here and welcome back to another video. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same clothes, it's because I'm filming 2 videos in one day. Back to school haul. I know that a lot of you have already started school, but you know, I just wanted to share with you guys what I use and what I want to use for this next school year. I am incoming senior high and I decided to take IB. So this summer what I'm trying to do is film a bunch of videos and post it once a week so that I have videos for you guys, because I know I'm gonna be really busy for 2 school years. I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from. Without further ado, let's just get started. I really love studying and learning and taking down notes, so if you guys have any school related or studying related, like study tips or note-taking tips, video suggestions, then just comment down below so I can show you guys like how I organize and how I take down notes and stuff like that. The first thing that I got was an accordion. So I got this long clear accordion with black borders because there was no other color, and personally I love this brand. I've been using this since grade 7 and I'm incoming grade 11 now, so I just buy new ones like every 2 years. I love how it has a lot of folds and it's color coded, which honestly helps everything. The next thing I'm gonna show you, I honestly don't understand why I bought this, but the school required me to buy 9 clear folders. So here I have 9 clear folders and there's nothing really to say about them. They're just clear folders. I don't know. 4 notebooks. Oh shoot. Oh. So I have these 4 notebooks and these are my subject notebooks. And fun fact about them, I didn't buy it this school year because I've been using these notebooks since grade 9? Yeah, I've been using them for 2 years, and the reason why it looks like it's new is because it is a refillable notebook binder thing. So all I have to do is buy refills and I can reuse the cover. So for me that's a really good investment if you know you like the size and you like the paper quality, and I really like the paper quality of this. The brand is Campus Acrylic. So that's basically it. So I just got different colors of the outside. So I like to keep one homework notebook where I keep track of all my to-do lists and everything. So basically it's like the center of organization. And for that, I bought this pink binder. I really love binders, guys, because I have a lot of refills, and buying binder notebooks makes everything way easier. You do save money because you don't have to buy notebooks all over again. So this one is just a plain pink notebook binder thing, and it has the same refills as the previous notebook. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use the next item for because it's a Muji notebook, but I bought this a long time ago. I might have some use for it. It's just a plain binder notebook. Again, I do love binder stuff. I bought 2 huge binders. I bought one in white and one in pink. As you guys can see, I kind of have this theme going on here where it's kind of like pink and white-ish. This one, I just got, what do you call it? Refills inside and placed it in. This one, I filled it with clear folder thingies. Yeah, guys, I'm so bugged na, sorry. They also asked us to buy yellow paper, and actually, I just wanted to buy intermediate pad paper, so I did. The next thing that I got was a math notebook because, I don't know, I like taking math notes in a graphing notebook. So I got this one, this brand. I always buy this brand, guys. I basically just decorated the front so that it would look nicer, and inside is just plain graphing notebook. I really like reusing and saving and accumulating all the things that I've collected throughout the years, and these notebooks I've already had, so I didn't have to buy. 2 journals. This notebook is just a notebook, a gold notebook, and I really like it. This one I got from my trip in Australia. You guys should go check out that vlog. Again, it's a plain notebook. I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in my pencil case. I know this is supposed to be a haul, but I kind of already had these things with me and I'm only using them now. The first pencil case that I have is this golden pencil case. I have never used this before, but I'm about to use it now. The things in here are my essential note-taking materials. This pen is the Uniball 0.5 gel pen. I have been using this forever. This is my favorite pen to use in exams, in note-taking, in everything basically. This is my favorite pen. If I'm like in a super hurry, I use this ball pen, Pilot ball pen, and it's a refill pen, so again, I don't have to keep buying because I can just buy refills, which is way cheaper. For my pencil, I use this 0.5 Muji retractable pencil. The other pens I use are these two Muji pens. This is my check ball pen, and this is like a thicker black pen. And then I have this calligraphy pen. This brand is my favorite. You can find it in National. And then for a thin finish in my notes, I like using the 0.4 or 5 Pilot G-Tech pen. My favorite correction tape is the Mr. Whipper. It's one of the best quality correction tapes, and it is also refill, surprisingly. You know, I love refill. For my highlighter, I actually use these mid-liner highlighter pens, and I have blue and yellow. Mid-liner is really good because it has two points. One is thicker and one is thinner, and you can also use it for headers and things like that. I recently got these. These are from the States. They're a bunch of Uniball ball pens in different colors. So my mom just got them for me, and I'm gonna be using them for taking down notes. In here, all the extra things that I need for school. That includes my calculator. I have more midliner, highlighters. Yeah, that's basically my extra pencil case with extra things. I also bought this folder, but I'm gonna be using it as a laptop case because it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's floral and my laptop fits, so yeah, I like it. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Feel free to comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And yeah, as always, may you guys have a kawaii day. Bye!